everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. This week we're hopping across the pond as I show you how to make Yorkshire Pudding, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Foxhole fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. This week, as I said, we're hopping across the pond as I show you how to make a fun, simple recipe for Yorkshire pudding. Now, this recipe comes to me once again from a friend of mine, Dave, over in the UK. You can either have them sweet or savory, it's basically up to you. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. To start off our puddings, we're going to go ahead and make our batter here for them. We're going to start off with 3 large eggs. To that, we're going to add a cup of milk, a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to pulse this together here for a couple seconds, just until it's blended here. Okay, and I'd say that looks pretty good there, Dave. What do you think?
Looks good.
To that, we're going to add a cup of flour, and we'll mix it all together here until it's combined, and then we're going to set it in the refrigerator overnight. All right. Let's go ahead and get this in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Okay, Dave, have you ever had Yorkshire pudding?
No, I have not.
Yeah, I know I have not. Probably didn't pronounce that correctly, but Yorkshire.
Okay.
What I'm doing now is I'm going to put a teaspoon of vegetable oil in each one here of our muffin pans, and then we have the oven preset for 400 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just gonna get the pan nice and hot here.
Okay. With the oil in it.
Yes. And then we'll bring it back out and put our batter in. That's getting to room temperature here. And now I know I'm kind of making a little bit of a mess here, but we can get that cleaned up pretty easily. Okay, let's go ahead and get this in the oven here for about, what'd you say, about 15 minutes?
About 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. Alright, now that our pan is out of the oven, we're going to go ahead and add our batter to each of these muffin pans here. We're going to fill each about halfway.
Okay.
As you can see, I think it's already starting
Sizzling a little bit in the batter, that's good.
Starting to cook a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and fill these very quickly here so we can get it back in the oven and then bake them for about 25 to 28 minutes. Mm-hmm. And let's see how we did. The main thing you want to make sure you do not open the oven door, because if you do, I was told they will actually collapse if you let the oven door open. So,
just leave them in there.
Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get this back in ASAP and go from there.
Okay.
Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how we did here. Light, fluffy, so easy to make, so good. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.